So let's see our next lesson, integers. Now see beta, in your lesson, one conversation is given between Dada and Samir. Now listen, Dada. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, these three dots are given there, that we have used up to now for counting are called counting numbers. They are also called natural numbers. But it is possible to count the stars in the sky or the grains of sand on the beach. Can you count number of stars in the sky or number of sands in the beach? No, they are innumerable, and so are the natural numbers. Means counting numbers means, see beta, always we start counting from 1. For example, how many students are present in your class? So how will you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. है ना? So these counting numbers are also known as natural numbers. Samir, we have already learned to add and subtract these natural numbers. Yes, we already know how to add and subtract the natural numbers. But when we subtract 5 from 5, what you get if you subtract 5 from 5? You get nothing. Means nothing remains. The 0 that we write to show that is not seen in this list. But in the natural number, 0 is not there. Dada, of course, we can't do without 0. 8, the natural number has no 0, but we can't do in maths without 0. The set of all natural numbers together with the 0 is the set of whole numbers. Means if you add 0 to the natural number, we get the set of whole numbers. Dada. We need to use some other numbers. Is there is possibility to have the other numbers other than 0 and natural numbers which are not there in this group? Salma, which are those? Dada, here is an example. See the example. In Maharashtra, the temperature falls to 10 degrees centigrade or even 8 degree Celsius in winter, but not down 0 degrees. See, beta, Maharashtra, the temperature never falls below 0 degrees centigrade. But in Kashmir, it may fall even 0 degrees Celsius. To show that we need numbers that are less than 0. Now see, if you want to show below 0 degree or the numbers below 0, so is possible in the whole numbers? No, because whole numbers are start with 0 and there is no numbers below 0. In January, when the paper said that it was snowing in Kashmir, the temperature in Srinagar was -8 degree Celsius. How do we read that? It is read as minus degree Celsius. When we put a minus sign before any number, the number obtained is less than 0. It is called negative numbers. Means if you write a minus sign before any number, they are negative numbers. And the numbers that are above the 0, means more than 0, are positive numbers. And positive numbers are shown by either by the plus sign. If no sign is there, it is understood the number is positive. The numbers are below 0 is -1 to 3. Got it, beta? So means there is another numbers that are below 0 degree, and that numbers are known as integers. So got it? Integers. Integers means all negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. So it is the set of positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. But 0 is neither positive nor negative. Got it, beta? So let's see. So how will we define natural numbers? They are also called counting numbers. The set of one, two, three, and so on. See beta, this three dot shows infinity, infinite means we can't count. They are not n. And the natural numbers are shown by the capital letter N. Okay. What is the meaning of this? It is the set. The set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 dots. Okay. So counting numbers are the set of 1, 2, 3, 4. And it is known as natural numbers. Now whole numbers. The set of if we add 0 to natural numbers, if we add 0 to natural number, we get full numbers. Okay, so how will you define? So it is the set of, and whole number is shown by the capital letter W. So it is the set of 0 and natural numbers 1, 2, 3, and again 3 dots. That means what? The whole numbers are also infinite. Got it better? Now the third one is integers. So integers means the set of negative numbers numbers 0 and positive numbers. Are called integers. Okay, and it is shown by the capital letter Z or I. So it is -3. See beta, all negative numbers are also infinite. So 3 dots are given. So these are the negative numbers. 0 is greater than all negative numbers. And then 1, 2, 3, and so on. See, all positive numbers are also infinite. and all negative numbers are also infinite. 0 is between the positive number and the negative numbers. Okay, so all the negative numbers are smaller than 0 and all the positive numbers are greater than 0. And this set, negative numbers, 0 and all positive numbers are known as integers. Now see children, why we need to learn integers? So see for that beta, there are some terms like this, loss of rupees 5, gain of rupees, increasing, decreasing, depth, height. So how will you show depth? Depth means below 0. Height means above 0. Now see, it is considered that our earth is level 0 and all the things that are below this earth are negative and above this is positive. Also we can show these integers by the Venn diagram. See. Natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay. And if you add zero to this natural number, means it is whole numbers. So if you add 0 to this natural number, you will get whole numbers. And if you add negative numbers to this set, you will get integers. So what are the integers? Minus, see, they are also infinite. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2 and infinite. Okay. So in this way, we can show the integers by the Venn diagram. Okay, children. So I'm giving you some numbers to solve. Okay, and the question is classify the following numbers as positive and negative numbers. So for that you have to make two columns. One is positive numbers. And other is negative numbers. Okay, so I will send you question to your group. Now see beta, some numbers are like this. Loss of rupees 650. How will you write loss of rupees 650? So quickly we will see. Loss of rupees 650. So how will you indicate? Answer is minus 650. Second, 9 degree Celsius above 0. and the answer is 9 degree plus 9 degree. है ना? Above means more than 0. The third one, decrease of 9.8. Decrease means negative number. So it is shown by minus 9.8. And the fourth one, withdrawal of, withdraw means take out. Take out means हमने कम कर दिया. Withdrawal of rupees 950. So how will you indicate? We will indicate minus 950. Okay, so in this way, we are using integers in our daily life. So bye bye children.